So I'm just going to give you a little demonstration before we get into the actual healing. Here we have our vital life force. And then we have our ancestral patterns, which influence. If this is clear and clean and like a crystal, then nothing stops our vital life force from radiating out, from us truly being seen. But if we have some cracks or some old information in our ancestral program, then that dims our vital force or our life force energy. And then over here, we have got then the effect of what's happening in life. So we call these negative memories, or information that's got stuck in our emotional body usually, but can get stuck anywhere in the physical. So emotional trauma doesn't only affect the mind, it also affects the body. So we're looking, when we do negative memories, at trying to clear some of those memories so that we can shine out. We always have an ancestral program. We sometimes get the chance to clear some of that. And the sage oil cleans the deepest, oldest part of our ancestral program and strengthens us for the resilience of the human species, so that our vital life force isn't just this sort of poor melted version here. So we restore it to that beautiful inner flame that lights us up and gives us quality. Those of you who've attended any of my classes will know that I love my little lamps, but it's a really nice way to talk about how the energy impacts the quality of our energy, and that impacts the quality of our health, our vitality, and our perception or experience of life.